Jacqui here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am on a massive mission to get my fridge cleaned out and reorganised, get rid of some of that old stock in there, looking over some of the best by dates on some of my condiment bottles, so forth. Yeah, so let's jump into it. Now I just start here with pulling all of the food out and looking at those dates like I said, and then all of the shelves and also door shelves, anything that I need to, and then I can start cleaning. That beautiful day out there, blue sky, it's so nice. And here's all the trays that I just got out of the fridge, so I'm just going to wash these in the sink now, and then I'll pop them back in there. And here I'm just cleaning with a hot soapy water in the sink. Containers drying that I've washed, some of the glass panels and more glass. The fridge is nice and tidy now. It's had a good wipe out. All the bits have gone between the cracks.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season.
And then I'll just dip in the towel dry and put them back in.
If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
Okay, so I just bought these containers at KMART. They're a few dollars each. We've got some drink ones, maybe a condiments one, I'm not too sure yet, maybe meat tray, veggie tray. I'll see, but I'll rearrange them in the fridge and then I'll see if they work for me or not.
'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale.
So I've used a few of the containers in here, drinks, and fruits and veggies, so I can just pull that out, and I've got a few different vegetables and things in there. A drinks one, I'll pull out, and I've got some meat in that, a few in there. But otherwise, nice and tidy fridge. And just a few things in the compartments out here, but all nice and tidy. Mustards, milk. Hey guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed cleaning and organising my fridge with me, popping those new containers in there, rearrange them to how I think that they will work well for me and my family, but I'm not too sure just yet. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you a part of my YouTube family here, and please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget, let me know in the comments below if you know how to stop that bottom fridge drawer from freezing. That's why I'm putting that cardboard in there. So if you know why, or how, or even why that's happening, please leave a comment for me down below. It'll be greatly appreciated. Okay guys, thanks very much. Bye bye. See you in the next one.